Hello everyone, welcome back to iFarouq.dev channel. This is our fourth episode in the how to build a chat app series. In the previous episode, we have sketched two of our project skeleton. The next to do now is to style them the same way as the original apps. Come with me, let's do it together. Well, without further ado, we are getting started. But I would like to recommend using a live CSS Chrome extension first for you to see it more effective. You can also get it from your Chrome web store if you find it useful. Okay, let's get started. Setting our text default size, which is 0.9 rem, then media only screen and max width 760 pixels, font size 0.7 rem, margin 0, padding 0. Then main, which represent the entire page, background and then color, then border, welcome message. The main border you may not be able to see it now, but the layout border will appear clearly at the edge of our browser. Just now, see, it just appeared. Then our form container, it has to have a border as well. Then our form inputs, the first one is select, then text area. This asterisk or X select represent any kind of select we have in our app. This styling we are trying to make now, it's going to be applied on that particular select or text area input, any kind of input, whether text, number, email, tel, password or checkbox. This exact style will apply to it. Then button, color, then ink message, font 0.7 rem. I guess that's all. So this is how our login page is supposed to be. In that case, I will copy this code and create new CSS file here, name it index.css, save it and paste the code, then click save. After that, we are heading back to our index.php. Between head tag, below bootstrap files, link tag, CSS files, index.css. Save the file and get back to our browser. You see, this is how the file looks without CSS, and this is how it looks with CSS. So let's refresh the page and see how it's going to look. This is our new sign-in page, and this is the original page. You see, there's no much differences between the two. The only difference here, I think, is this system error messages. So let's get back to our code and make some changes to see how it's going to really look. Alright, scroll down a little bit here, comment our PHP code. Okay, let's make a brief bootstrap alert elements. Division alert, alert success, alert permissible, fetch show. Role equals to alert. This is a success sample message or message sample. Then button to cancel the alert message. Let's copy this and make it two. The other is success message and the other for error message. Well, this is how the error message looked like in our new sign-in page. So I guess that's all for the sign-in page. The next to do is to jump to our chat page, which is this is the original chat page, and we are going to just style our new chat page the same way or exactly like our original chat page. So in that case, let's get back and style it together. Menu bar, padding 1 rem, margin 0, background color, and border right. Border right indicates the elements or separate between the two elements, which is menu bar and sub menu bar. Width 20%. 20% it will be more suitable for any length of device screen. So using percentage, it will be more suitable and easier to take control of your element layout. So take a look here. We are making use of hover. And again, you see the difference. When you place a cursor on the link color become a bit brighter. Styling our menu list. And I think I made some error here. Let's get back and check it. And down here, okay, here I think it's supposed to be menu body, not menu bar. So let's change it and save it, then refresh the page. Now you see the styling has taken the effect on the list. Customizing our icon size to 1.2 rem and menu bar ULA menu, and here we make the same hover effect on the menu list. Transition 0.2 seconds. Alright, take a look again. Okay, menu body, not menu bar. Alright, again, you see it works, but the text color have not changed yet, and the space between the menu didn't apply also. So let's make some changes here. Menu bar UL, menu bar LIE, font size 1 rem, color D9, and margin here is supposed to be 0.3 rem. And add media element help us to make some changes, like if statement. If the size of screen reduced to 1060 pixels, it will help us to make some changes that will adapt with the new screen size, like this menu bar width from 10% to 8%, menu bar here brand also size from, I think, was it 1.7 to 1.5 rem, and so on and so forth. It's all the same styling with just minor changes. And the second media is also, this one is going to be 980 pixels. The first one is 1060 pixels, the second one is 980 pixels, and we are going to have the third one, which is going to be 700 pixels. And this is how our page is going to behave when the screen resizes from big screen to small screen, or from small screen to big screen. But I forgot to style, so let's get back up here. UL menu footer, this profile menu. If you notice, the profile menu is changing gradually, and the is making a progress. See, hover is working as well. profile width, we have to take care of that to 90%, which is going to be the same size with the remaining menu list. And let's make some changes here. And I think this is it. We have finished styling our menu bar. The next thing to do is to copy the entire code, create a new file and paste it there. Then link the CSS file with the chat file. Copy the code, create a new file in the CSS files folder, paste the code and save the file by giving it a name, MenuBar.css. Save. Alright, then head back to our index file. Alright, MenuBar.css, and we are good to go. Refresh the page. I think I saved it in the wrong file. I'm supposed to save it in the chat file instead of the index file. Copy the entire code, save it down here. You see, the menu bar just worked, but our background color disappeared. How? I think we need this back. Here we are. Yes, now it works. You see, this is our new chat page, the one we just styled, and it worked perfectly. Looks similar to our original chat page, but unfortunately due to the time constraints we are stopping here. I promise in our next video I will try to cover the remaining chat page styling, which is submenu and selected chat body. See you in the next video. Until next time, always make up and never give up.